Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will write a Java program that calculates an employee's divide salary based on experience and rewards. So this is a real world example perfect for learning if else statements and salary logic in Java. Okay, so you can see the problem, right? So what is the problem? Here's the problem. An MNC company has decided to revise the salary of its employees on some conditions like mentioned below. So if the employee salaries working experience is 3 to 5, then the revised salary is old salary plus matlab plus 10%. If the experience is between 6 to 9, then the salary is plus 15, and the experience is 10 to 20 means plus 20, and the others is for others they will be receiving plus 25% greater than that. Okay, and also, and if they have received any reward from the company, then rupees 1000 is added to revised salary. So we have to write a Java program to print the revised salary for an employee satisfying all the conditions. So first of all, let us create one. I will create one more package. Question 2, new package. Question 2, question 2. Okay, done. So in question 2, I will be now creating the class. Okay, class name is revised salary, right? Calculator. Okay, class. We are calculating the revised salary, right? So salary, let me write simply salary class. Okay, I have created. Okay, so to know, 1 minute, just to remove the console, I am just doing this. There is nothing, so it will print nothing. 1 minute, let me extend this. Okay, so it is now clear, right? Yeah, so I have created a main class with package question 2, and this class name is salary. Okay, done. Okay, so public class salary, public static void main, this is the main method. So first of all, to know, okay, what to do or to revise the salary, first we need to know the input from the user. So what is the years of experience, and what is the salary, first we have to ask, right? So for that I'm creating scanner class, right? What is the use of scanner class? It is useful for taking the input from the user. I have done a video on that as well, in the playlist of introduction to Java. That is the seventh video, taking input from the user. If you haven't watched that, please go through that video, so then you will understand why how we are writing that. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. So I'm importing that as well, so importer also done, so there is no error. Okay, so scanner class done. So we need to take the input details. That means we have to take the details from the user. For that, first I will print system out dot print ln. What we will be printing? Enter the old salary. Enter old salary. Now we are expecting the user to enter his old salary, so we will be storing that old salary in int or double. It's up to our wish. I'm storing that int. Old old we are writing old. What we are storing? Sc dot, as it is int, right? Next int. Okay, so done. See, first of all, we are printing enter old salary, and we are taking the input from the user, like int old equal to sc dot next int. Then what we will ask? We have to ask the enter, like number of years of experience, right? According to the question, first we will take the user details. First old salary and the number of years of experience, or if any received any awards or not. Okay. Okay. Now enter years of experience. Enters years of experience. Okay, so now I will be expecting the int. Okay, so how many years, like that? Int experience equal to sc dot next int. Okay, now next, what I'm expecting, I want to know whether he's having any, like he received any reward or not. If yes, how many rewards he has received. System dot out So here I can make the code long as also, like if I can write if and else condition. If the number of rewards is yes, if you receive yes, then we can continue. We can ask the number of rewards. If no, we can directly continue to next question. That also we can do. But I don't want to maximize the code. I want to keep as much as short. So that's why I'm not asking any yes or no. I'm just asking enter number of rewards received. So if user doesn't have any rewards, right, simply he can right, no, I mean 0. Okay, so int rewards is equal to int re is a variable there, interval equal sc dot next int. Okay, done. So what I have done till now, I have asked the user for the for his salary, for years of experience, and add the number of rewards received. So now what I will do, I will take one thing like what is the revised salary. Revised salary, revise, right, enter revised equal to old salary. Okay, so int I'm storing the revised as the old same. Okay, so now I will be writing the calculation, I will writing the logics, that is depends on the experience. Okay, I will write the logic now. So for that I will be using the if condition. If experience is greater than or equal to 3, right? So let me show this again. So if experience is greater than or equal to 3 and or less than or equal to 5, then the revised salary will be 10% extra of 10% of old salary, right? So let me write the logic for that. So if experience is greater than or equal to 3, or I mean both should be, and or so experience is less than or equal to 5, less than or equal to 5. Okay, then what we will be increasing the 10%. So revised is equal to result, we can write like this also, plus or equal to, so 10% means 0.10. So here we are using adding the 10%, right? So I think we can use this double here. Okay, double re equal to sc dot, sorry, here. Okay, 0.10 into 10%, right, into old salary. Okay, done. So if experience is greater than or equal to 3 and or experience is less than or equal to 5, then we are using the revised salary as 0.0. See here, plus or is equal to nothing but revised is equal to 0.10 into old salary plus that old salary. Okay, that's all. So also it's done. Now I'm closing this bracket, right? Also I have to know others also, right? Others also I have to write other expectations as well, right? Other logic 6 to 9, 10 to 20 others. So I will be writing that now. Similarly else if I will write, what I will write, else if else if what is the condition, experience greater than or equal to 6, or experience 6 or 9, right? Experience less than or equal to 9. Then I have to print device is equal to how much percent. This is 10%, that's why we are at 0.10. And for this how much percent, 15%, right? So 0.15. Okay, done. So again else if experience 69 done, next one is 10 to 20. What is it is 10 to 20, right? Experience greater than or equal to 10 and less than or equal to 20. Okay, then how much increases we will get, increment 20%. Okay, 0.20. Okay, done. Or else what we will get, else last condition else. If we didn't get else if, then it will directly go to else. So there is no need of any conditions. Simply if you don't get anything else, revised is equal to 0.25. Also let me see, For others revised salary equal to, so we can write greater than 20, but here it is not mentioned. So if it is others like around 3 to 5 like that, then it will be getting extra 25% salary. So here it is not mentioned that experience is greater than 20, but still we can write if we need. But if it is not mentioned, so I just have written else statement 0.5 into old. So up to this else statement and if and else statement done. So another thing is there, what is that? Rewards. If there are any rewards, right, what we have to do? Revise. Revised salary we will get. If there is any rewards, then what we will do, we will add that as well, right? Revised is equal to rewards you will be receiving, right? Re into 1000. Okay. Where is this? Yeah, let me check this. And if they have received any reward from the company, rupees 1000 is added to revised. So if you have received, if you have received one reward, then 1 into 1000 plus revised salary. Okay. If you have received two rewards, 2000 we will be adding. Three rewards, 3000. So plus are equal to nothing but adding that. So rewards 2000 plus again the salaries, we are adding the salary. Okay. Now at last we will print the salary. Okay. So system dot out dot println divided salary, we will be getting plus divide. Okay, done. So this is the class, I mean this is the code we have to write. So let me run this as well for you. Enter the old salary. Okay, I can write here, 1 minute, I will show you here the code. Okay, enter your old salary, I am getting 20k, let me write 20k. Okay, done. So years of experience I have, let me write equal to 3, right? Let me use the first condition, where is that? Greater than or equal, I am using this condition 3. And the number of rewards, I have received one reward, so it will add 1000 as well. So my reward, I mean revised salary is 23,000. Okay, so 10% of this 20,000 is 2000 plus 1000 added, the total is 23,000. You can check others as well. So thank you guys for watching my video. In the next video we are going to discuss another problem.